Looking for unique tattoo ideas to reflect yourself? AI can now give you some inspirations. In this video, I would like to share 3 best AI tattoo generator with free solutions. Let's get started. HitPaw FotorPea. This is an all-in-one AI photo editing software. You can use it to generate images, enhance photos to 8K quality, etc. The official link can be found in the description. What we are using is the AI generator. Click on text to image. Then we can customize the prompt in the right side. You may describe what patterns you like and ask it to design for you. Then choose the image model. Here lists all the mainstream AI image models for us to use. I would recommend using GPT Image 2 or Nano Banana model. Then click on Generate, and there we have a cool tattoo design. These are other designs I created just now. What's more, if you want to know how it would look like in real world, we can switch to image, then choose Nano Banana Pro model. Import one of your image as reference. Take this image for example, then choose a tattoo image we created from history. Then tell it to add the tattoo pattern, and there we can have a look at the tattoo in real world. Google Flow. The second one is Google Flow. Click on New Project. Write the prompt to ask it to design a tattoo pattern in the dialog. Then customize the aspect ratio and image model. Take the image for model for instance. Click on Submit, and there it generates cool designs for us. Similar with the first generator, we can add 2 images as reference and ask it to add the tattoo design. And there we can have a rough look at what the tattoo would look like. AI Marvels. This method works best if you are using a mobile phone. It is an app available on both Android and iOS devices. I will put all the links of the generators I use in the description. Tap AI Lab, and tap the first card. Import a white blank image like this. Then similar with the previous 2 methods, write down your imagination, and choose GPT Image 2 or Nano Banana model to create the designs. There it will generate awesome tattoo patterns for you. These are some examples I created. This one looks cool. We can also tap the plus icon to import more images, and that's what it would look like in the reference image. Alright, that's share for this video. Hope it can give you some inspirations. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.